Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some important news to share with you. In a shocking turn of events, a Highlander man was brutally stabbed in the back by an Anywak terrorist in Gambella, Ethiopia. The incident took place in the bustling center of the town, causing panic among the residents. The victim was rushed to a nearby hospital for treatment, while the attacker managed to escape and remains at large. It's crucial that we all stay vigilant and informed about such incidents, as they can have a significant impact on our communities. We hope that the victim recovers quickly and that justice is served. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this update helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more news updates. Until next time, stay safe and informed.